At the bottom of our world, shrouded in mystery and wonder, lies Antarctica. A land of stark beauty and unparalleled harshness, it beckons explorers and scientists alike. This remote and isolated continent holds secrets to our planet's past and clues to its future. It is a continent of extremes, a place where the very limits of life are tested. The statistics speak for themselves: coldest, driest, windiest, and highest on Earth. The sheer scale of these superlatives is difficult to comprehend. Imagine a place where the wind howls relentlessly, sculpting the landscape with icy fury. It's a vast wilderness, larger than Europe, a seemingly endless expanse of white stretching to the horizon. This immense territory is sculpted by immense glaciers and ice sheets, rivers of ice that grind and carve their way across the land. These icy behemoths bury entire mountain ranges, concealing peaks and valleys beneath a frozen blanket. The weight of the ice is so immense that it deforms the very bedrock beneath. The landscape is a silent, frozen desert, a place where the only sound is the whisper of the wind. It's a world painted in white and blue, a minimalist masterpiece of ice and sky. The hues shift and change with the light, creating an ethereal and otherworldly atmosphere. This is a place of overwhelming scale and emptiness, where the vastness of the landscape dwarfs all human presence. Standing here, one feels a profound sense of solitude and insignificance. The air is so pure that distances deceive, making it difficult to judge the true scale of things. What appears to be a nearby mountain range may be hundreds of miles away, and the silence is broken only by the crack of ice, a constant reminder of the dynamic forces at play, or the cry of a seabird, a lonely sound that echoes across the frozen wastes. Yet despite its harshness, Antarctica is far from lifeless. Along its rugged coasts, battered by relentless waves, and in the frigid Southern Ocean, teeming with nutrients, life thrives in spectacular abundance. It's a testament to the resilience of nature, a reminder that life can find a way even in the most extreme environments. Over 98% of its surface is covered by a permanent ice sheet, a vast frozen reservoir that dominates the landscape. This ice sheet is nearly 3 miles thick in places, a staggering testament to the power of time and the accumulation of snow. It holds 70% of Earth's fresh water, a vital resource for the entire planet. If it all melted, sea levels would rise catastrophically, reshaping coastlines and displacing millions of people. Glaciers flow from the interior, driven by gravity and the relentless pressure of the ice sheet. They eventually reach the coast, breaking into colossal icebergs that drift out to sea. These forces of ice and water are constantly shaping this extreme world, carving out valleys, creating mountains, and defining the coastline. Our journey here is an exploration of survival at the limits, a quest to understand how life can endure in such a challenging environment. We'll witness extraordinary adaptations that are the rule, not the exception, in this frozen realm. We'll meet resilient penguins, masters of survival in the harshest conditions. We'll encounter majestic whales, giants of the Southern Ocean, navigating the icy waters with grace and power, and we'll witness their struggles and triumphs, their daily battles for survival in this unforgiving land. In understanding this last great wilderness, we gain a deeper appreciation for the fragility of our planet and the interconnectedness of all life. And in that understanding, we see the urgent need to protect it for future generations, ensuring that this pristine wilderness remains a treasure for all time. Antarctica's extreme cold is no accident, it's the result of unique geography. Its position at the South Pole means months of darkness and little direct sunlight, even in summer. The continent's high average elevation, over 2,500 meters, makes it the highest and one of the coldest places on Earth. The vast ice sheet reflects up to 80% of sunlight thanks to the albedo effect, keeping the land frigid. Antarctica is surrounded by the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, isolating it from warmer oceans and locking in the cold. These factors combine to create the coldest temperatures ever recorded, plunging below -89 degrees Celsius. Despite the ice, Antarctica is the driest continent, its air too cold to hold much moisture. What little snow falls rarely melts, accumulating over millennia and forming dense glacial ice. This stable, extreme cold has preserved the ice sheet for millions of years. Here, life has adapted to conditions found nowhere else on Earth. Antarctica, a land of stark beauty and unforgiving conditions, is home to some of the world's most fascinating creatures. Among them, the most iconic residents are undoubtedly its penguins. These remarkable birds have adapted to thrive in one of the planet's most extreme environments. Flightless on land, they are superb swimmers in the frigid waters and true masters of the ice. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers allow them to navigate the ocean with grace and efficiency, hunting for food and evading predators. Numerous species call Antarctica home, each with its own unique characteristics. Species like the adelie, easily recognized by its distinctive white eye ring, the bold chin strap, named for the narrow black band under its chin, the gentoo, and the majestic emperor penguin thrive here, showcasing the diversity of life that can flourish even in the harshest conditions. Their striking black and white plumage isn't just for show, it provides crucial camouflage in the water, helping them to blend in with the light filtering from above and the darkness below, making them less visible to both predators and prey. On land, their characteristic waddling gait, while seemingly clumsy, is actually a highly efficient way to conserve energy in the face of the harsh cold and icy terrain. Emperor penguins, in a remarkable feat of endurance, breed during the Antarctic winter, when temperatures plummet and blizzards rage. They undertake arduous journeys, marching inland to their traditional breeding colonies, often traveling many miles across the frozen landscape. Females lay a single precious egg, and then, remarkably, return to the sea to feed and replenish their energy reserves. This leaves the males to endure months of darkness and bitter cold, bravely huddled together in tightly packed groups for warmth, each carefully balancing the egg on their feet, protecting it from the freezing ground. As the Antarctic spring arrives, adelie penguins return to the continent, marking the start of their breeding season. They meticulously construct pebble nests on rocky outcrops, creating a safe haven for their future offspring. These pebbles are highly prized, and the penguins fiercely defend their nests and their precious stones from opportunistic neighbors. Once hatched, penguin chicks face constant peril from the elements, battling the relentless cold and the ever-present threat of predators like skuas and leopard seals. Their survival depends entirely on their devoted parents, who take turns braving the icy waters to forage for krill and fish, bringing back vital sustenance to nourish their growing chicks. As the chicks grow larger, they begin to huddle together in large groups called creches, a behavior that provides both warmth and a degree of safety in numbers. This remarkable display of cooperation and social behavior is absolutely essential for the survival of the colony as a whole. Watching these devoted parents tenderly caring for their fluffy chicks, braving the harsh conditions together, is a powerful and moving reminder of nature's unwavering drive to survive and perpetuate life, even in the face of incredible adversity. In the unforgiving realm of Antarctica, where survival is a constant struggle, every single day presents a formidable test of endurance, resilience, and the enduring power of life. While penguins, with their bustling colonies and comical waddles, may seem to rule the land, they are not the only masters of this icy domain. The Antarctic continent holds many secrets, and its true rulers extend beyond the shores. Antarctica's shores, those icy fringes where land meets the frigid sea, truly belong to the seals. Marine mammals perfectly adapted to the harsh realities of ice and ocean. They are built for this environment, thriving where few other mammals can survive. Their bodies, their instincts, their very essence is intertwined with the Antarctic ecosystem. 4 true Antarctic species, each a testament to the power of evolution in this isolated realm. Crab-eater, Weddell, masters of their respective niches, leopard and Ross seals, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem, thrive here, insulated by thick blubber, a crucial adaptation against the relentless cold. This layer of fat is not just insulation, it's an energy reserve, a lifeline in a land of scarcity. Crab-eater seals, despite their somewhat misleading name, feed almost exclusively on krill, those tiny crustaceans that form the base of the Antarctic food web. Using specialized teeth, uniquely shaped to filter these tiny organisms from the water with remarkable efficiency. Weddell seals are true ice specialists, supremely adapted to life on and under the frozen surface, breeding further south than any other mammal, venturing into the harshest, most unforgiving regions of the continent, and maintaining vital breathing holes in the thick ice with their powerful teeth, a constant battle against the relentless freezing temperatures. They dive to incredible depths, over 600 meters, and stay submerged for more than an hour, holding their breath in the frigid depths, a testament to their physiological adaptations. The formidable leopard seal is an apex predator, a sleek and powerful hunter at the top of the food chain, preying on penguins and even seal pups, a fearsome presence in the Antarctic waters. With swift, dramatic attacks, ambushing their prey with surprising speed and agility. Its presence forces penguins to be ever cautious, constantly vigilant at the water's edge, knowing that danger lurks beneath the surface. These seals' remarkable adaptations, blubber, that essential layer of insulation, specialized teeth, perfectly designed for their specific diets, and sophisticated hunting strategies, honed over generations, are the keys to their survival and continued success in this challenging environment. Life here is a constant, delicate balance between predator and prey, a dance of survival played out on the ice and in the water. The dynamic between seals and penguins, predator and potential meal, shapes the rhythm of life along the Antarctic coast, influencing behavior and distribution. Every encounter, every interaction is a matter of life and death, a constant reminder of the raw power and unforgiving nature of the Antarctic wilderness. The Southern Ocean is one of Earth's richest marine environments, drawing great whales to its nutrient-rich waters each summer. Humpbacks, fin, sei, southern right, and blue whales migrate thousands of miles to feast on swarms of Antarctic krill. Humpbacks are famous for breaching and their haunting songs, and in Antarctica they use bubble net feeding to corral krill. Orcas, the largest dolphins, are top predators here, with specialized pods hunting seals, whales, or fish using remarkable teamwork. This specialization reduces competition and showcases their intelligence. Whales were once hunted to near extinction, but conservation efforts have sparked a slow recovery. The return of these giants is a testament to the power of protection. Their presence is vital to the ocean's health and a reminder of our responsibility. The Antarctic's whales are living proof that nature can rebound, if given the chance. Protecting them means protecting the entire ecosystem. Beyond penguins, Antarctica's skies and coasts are alive with remarkable birds. Giant petrels, with wingspans over 2 meters, scavenge and hunt, causing alarm in penguin colonies. Albatrosses, including the wandering albatross, glide vast distances using dynamic soaring, rarely touching land except to breed. The Antarctic tern migrates from pole to pole, experiencing 2 summers each year, a journey of up to 90,000 kilometers. Skuas, aggressive predators and expert thieves, threaten penguin eggs and chicks. Every bird here is a survivor, adapted to fierce winds and scarce resources. Their lives are intertwined with the continent's harsh rhythms. In Antarctica, every creature plays a role in the web of life. Survival in Antarctica demands extraordinary adaptations. Marine mammals rely on thick blubber. Penguins use dense feathers and fat for insulation. Many animals have countercurrent heat exchange in their limbs, minimizing heat loss and preventing freezing. Emperor penguins huddle in rotating groups to share warmth, while Weddell seals conserve energy by staying inactive on land. Even Antarctic fish have evolved natural antifreeze proteins, keeping their blood from freezing in sub-zero waters. From group behavior to molecular tricks, every adaptation is a masterclass in survival. Here, ingenuity is the difference between life and death. Antarctica is a living laboratory, offering insights into biology, climate, and our planet's history. Scientists from around the world study its wildlife and ecosystems, using satellite tags, drones, and genetic analysis. Monitoring penguins and seals provides early warnings of climate change and ecosystem shifts. Technology reveals hidden migrations and behaviors, deepening our understanding without disturbing the animals. Research here has global significance. Antarctica helps regulate Earth's climate. Its lessons in resilience and adaptation are vital for our future. Studying this continent is about understanding our world and our place in it. Antarctica is a world of beauty and hardship, where life's ingenuity is on full display. Its fate is tied to ours. The Southern Ocean drives global currents and climate, but threats are growing. Climate change, overfishing, and pollution endanger this fragile ecosystem. International cooperation like the Antarctic Treaty is crucial to its protection. We must limit our impact, manage resources wisely, and keep these waters pristine. The future of penguins, seals, and whales depends on choices we make far from their icy home. Antarctica is a treasure, one that inspires awe and demands stewardship. By protecting it, we invest in the health of our planet and our own future.